Seisiún Mór is Ireland's biggest ballet festival, all four amazing bands under one roof. We have the Tumbling Paddies, Meadhbh Walsh and her new band, the High Stool Prophets, Dreams of Freedom. It's going to be my crack.
Hi everyone, I'm Meadhbh Walsh and I'm over the moon to be part of Seisiún Mór in the INEC on the 26th of August. Can't wait to see you all there.
How's it going, folks? We're Tumbling Paddies and we're really looking forward to playing at Seisiún Mór here in the INEC Arena in Killarney on Saturday the 26th of August. We'll see you there, folks. Get your tickets now when you still can. It's going to be a massive night.
100% I'm going to that. That's a good crack. Mighty crack.
Will I find a better plan? But I try my best and I'll try. It's just the way I am.